All right, I'm coming back today. In front of me, I have the criminal citation I was issued by the Prince George's County Police. Uh, I'm going to read it word for word. The officer that issued the citation was an Officer Koze of the Prince George's County Police. Basically, I got this citation for videotaping, but I'm going to read the citation word for word now. And it was issued on January 19th, 2012. And it says, did willfully fail to obey a reasonable and lawful order of a law enforcement officer, to wit, there are posted no loitering signs on the Shell gas station, and the defendant refused to leave and continued to record our subject stop, and made to prevent a disturbance to the public peace. And it goes on to say the penalty is a $500 fine and 60 days in jail. Also on this citation, it's important to note, it says your failure to obey this citation may result in the issuance of a warrant for your arrest. So basically now, I have a criminal record, I guess you would call it, for exercising my First Amendment rights, and it's a sad situation to be in. But as I said in one of my previous videos, I plan on lobbying the General Assembly down in Annapolis so they can pass legislation similar to what they have up in Connecticut that clearly states that citizens can videotape the police or take their photos while they're out performing their duties. They are arresting somebody, detaining somebody, searching somebody. And in my instance, that's what the police were doing. The police were searching a young man, and I thought that was of interest to me, and maybe even to the greater public, to see, what's going on with these officers, we have a duty to document these officials, to just to keep an eye on them, to make sure they're doing everything that's proper and in accordance with the law. Okay, to the state officials. My state senator here in Maryland is State Senator James C. Rosape, and my state delegate is Miss Barbara A. Frush. So I will be reaching out to them to lobby them and to hopefully, let them know of my situation and to help prevent these type of outrageous abuses of police power in the future. Also, I was reading online, and the Lieutenant Governor for Maryland, Mr. Anthony G. Brown, he resides in Prince George's County also. So he is a Prince George's County resident. So I will be in the near future writing a letter to the Lieutenant Governor, my state senator, Mr. James C. Rosape, my state delegate, Ms. Barbara A. Frush. So I will be reaching out to all these elected officials. And I did some more research, and Mr. Steny Hoyer is my U.S. congressman. U.S. representative. He's in the House of Representatives. So I'll be reaching. I may try and reach out to him also. But it's just necessary to reach out to these elected officials and let them know what's going on. And I believe I was reading the other day, it was Delegate Rosenberg that requested that Attorney General's opinion in regards to the wiretap. I'm going to reach out and send a letter to that elected official also about this situation of videotaping law enforcement. Also, many organizations, though, now that I think about it, many organizations have an interest in ensuring that the police don't violate people's rights. I know the ACLU is involved in situations like this. I know there's a photographers association. I think it's like some type of national association for photographers, and they're involved in stuff like this. And associations for news reporters, they're involved in issues of the First Amendment. The Department of Justice in the Mr. Sharp case up in Baltimore, they are involved with the First Amendment issues, constitutional rights and civil liberties. So I've been doing some research, on Google and reading about this stuff, and excuse me, and I'm definitely gonna do more to try and get some legislation passed here in Maryland in the General Assembly to help improve, the civil rights and the constitutional rights of Maryland residents and the residents of Prince George's County. I never, but now that I think about it, it's kind of a daunting prospect. I never done anything like lobbying to get a law passed, or lobbying to get a bill submitted into the state Senate or the House of Delegates. But I fully intend to do this, though. I'm definitely going to go down to Annapolis, and I'm definitely going to, lobby these elected officials, and I'm going to document the whole process. So going forward, I guess it's going to be a journey, but it's one that I'm willing to take. As always, I thank you for watching my videos. I'm very humbled by this experience. And as always, God bless, and just once again, thank you for watching. All right, I'm going to cut off now.